you should have 4 slides in your presentation if you use the template that was uploaded to the hub. Also in the hub was a grading rubric that shows how your presentation will be graded. The first requirement is that your presentation be at least 4 slides. If you look on the left side of your screen, you can see you should have 4 slides, 1, 2, 3, and 4. We're going to move on to the next edit. The next edit is a slide transition on each slide. A transition is how your slide will look as it moves from one slide to the next. So you will click on transition. Drop down menu, you are going to choose a transition. I'm going to choose slide from left. Then you will click apply to all slides. Once you click apply to all slides, this will apply the transition to all of your slides. If you look to the left where your slides are, you will see an emblem next to each slide number. You have now added your transitions. Click pause and go to your presentation and add a transition. Now that you have added your transition, the next requirement is to have animation on at least one slide. Your transition box should still be open for you to be able to add an animation. If it is not open, go to Insert, scroll down and click on Animation. You are now going to click on the item that you want to animate. On my first slide, I'm going to animate the text. So I'm going to click where I want to animate. I'm going to choose an animation and I want it to just appear. I'm going to choose how I want it to animate. Do I want it to animate when I click the mouse? Yes. And then I am going to click by paragraph. This is what my animation will look like on my presentation. Click pause and add animation to at least one slide. You have now added your animation. The next requirement is to add at least one picture. To add a picture, on the menu, click on Insert, hover over Image, and I am going to search the web. This is a brand new product, so I'm going to search for an image for something that might be that says brand new. I can scroll down and look at the images that I have to choose from. I'm going to go ahead and select this image that says new product. And then I'm going to click Insert. Now I'm going to resize the image or make it smaller so that it fits on my presentation. Click pause and add an image to your presentation. You have now added at least one picture to your presentation. The next requirement is to apply a theme. In order to apply a theme, I'm going to go to the menu, click on Slide, and apply layout. That will change how my slide is laid out if I want to, or I will go to Change Theme. If I scroll down on the right side of my screen, I can see different themes that have different color palettes for my presentation. I'm going to go ahead and choose a theme. Once I add my theme, I may have to move some objects around depending on how my theme is set up. I have now added a theme to my presentation. Click pause and add a theme to your presentation. Now that you have added a theme, the next requirement is to add hyperlinks on slide 1. This means I am going to connect the text on slide 1 to the slide that contains the information. First, I will go to where it says how it works. I will highlight that information. My menu, go to Insert and click on Link. When I click on Link, a menu box will drop down. I want to link this to slides in my presentation, and I'm going to link this text to the slide that says, how does it work? And I will click Apply. I will repeat this for the next 2 items. What this means for you, insert, link, slides in the presentation. I want to connect to the slide that says what this means for you and click Apply. Highlight how to buy, go to Insert, click Link, slides in presentation, and I'm going to click it to slide 4. Click Apply. So now I have a link to the slide that shows how it works, what this means for you, and how to buy my product. When I am presenting my presentation, I have my animations, my information comes up, and the hyperlink, if I hover over, it's going to turn into a hand, and if I click, it's going to take me to the slide that says how it works. Press pause and add your hyperlinks to slide 1. Now that I have added hyperlinks to slide 1, my next requirement is to add a hyperlink to the home page on slides 2 through 4. I will click on slide 2, and at the bottom where I type the word home, highlight, insert, link, slides in this presentation, and I am going to link it to slide 1, which is my home slide, and click Apply. You will repeat this for the remaining 2 slides. You will click on the slide, highlight home, insert, link, slides in this presentation, slide 1, apply. Click on slide 4, highlight where it says home, insert, link, slides in this presentation, slide 1, apply. Press pause and add hyperlinks to your presentation. You have now finished making edits to your presentation. So make sure that slide 1 has your product title, has the options for how it works, what this means for you, how to buy, and a picture. Make sure that slide 2 explains how your product works. Slide 3, make sure you enter the information that tells why a person should buy your product or how your product will help the person. And slide 4, make sure that you explain ways to order your product. Your presentation should be complete and you are ready to upload it to the Hub.